A great way to organize your inbox is to create filters. There are several ways to create filters. This video is going to show you how to create one by clicking on the drop-down arrow up here in the search email option. And let's say, for example, we want to do something with emails from a certain person. So I'm going to type their email address in here. So I'm basically going to create a filter saying any emails that come from this person. And now I need to tell it what I want to do. Notice I can also choose any emails that are sent to a certain person, any emails with a specific subject, any that have words in it, doesn't have certain words. There's even these specific as greater than size-wise, or if you received within a certain date. So these are all search ways to search your email. But right now we're going to take this to the next step and create a filter for any emails from the person with this email address. So we're going to click Create Filter. And now we have our options here to choose from. Each one of these options is going to be personal to the filter that you're creating, and you can create as many filters as you want. So on this one, these are going to be, I'm going to pretend that this is emails from my boss. So I really want them to be stand out to me. So I'm going to not skip the inbox because I want to see them. I'm going to come down here. I'm not going to star them. Some people will choose to star it so that those all go into their starred folder over here to the left. But I'm going to show you how I want to create a folder for them. So I'm going to choose this option to apply the label. And from here, I can choose a label that I already have created, or I can start a new one. And I'm going to call this urgent because these are emails from my boss. So I really want them to stand out to me. So urgent, and click create. And then I'm going to continue to make any of my other options here. Now, the most important option down here at the bottom is to check this box if you want to apply this filter you're creating to any other emails in your inbox that meet this criteria. So you can see I have 20 other emails from my boss. And so we're going to, now that we have all of our settings chosen, click on Create Filter. So now you can see I'm in my inbox, and all these emails are still listed in my inbox because I chose not to archive them. I still wanted them to come to my inbox. I just want them to be marked, you'll notice, with this label that says urgent next to them. Now if I come over here to the side where my label is, which is basically like a folder, and click on this, I will see all the emails in here that this email have ever sent me. So it's kind of a way that I can log the different emails that maybe my boss is sending me, or a certain person, or a certain group of people. So I'm going to come back and click on the inbox. And now notice this gray doesn't stand out as much as I want it to. So I'm going to come over here to the side where this label is, and when I hover, you'll see the 3 dots. I'm going to left click, and then I'm going to click on Label Color, and I'm going to choose this red with the white font. So now you can see any emails that come from this specific email address are really going to stand out in my inbox. So definitely try making a filter. You can always edit and delete your filters at other times. I have another video that shows you how to do that. But definitely check out filters and try to find the ways that work best for you to help organize your inbox.